Look, Fatima, the monsters have arrived. Yikes! Oh my goodness. This is from the Fortune Cookie Soap Special Halloween box. And got it for $80? Let me double check that. Yes, $80, free shipping. There was tax. Can't get away from taxes. They gave us 2 little sticker magnets. Those were cute. The card they sent. Oh, you gotta see this. Oh, that is just too stinking cute. The theme for their Halloween box is monsters. The classics. And if you're liking what you see in our video today, I have a link in the description box below. They also have a very good Facebook presence. And some of these items might not be available as this was a special box, yet the base for other scents of these types of products will be available. And I heard something on Facebook about having some of these items perhaps available for their Black Friday sale. So I would check out that Facebook group. And enough yakety yak, let's see what we've got. The blood is the life candle. And oh my, it smells nice. Don't sniff it all day. We got a video to do here. Okay. This is nice. It looks like it's larger than I thought. 4.6 ounce, 1 wick candle. And let me tell you the scent notes on this one. We have verbena, caramelized apricots, pink amber, blooming orchid. Oh, that ought to be nice for the spooky season and a little bit after. Yes. It's alive. Energizing oil. This is a roller ball. Put it on your wrists or your pulse points. Nice scent to this one. And those fragrance notes are on here somewhere. Sweet orange, lemon, grapefruit, creamy vanilla, and bergamot. They always make a cute fortune cookie soap. This one is called I Can Fix Her. The scent notes on that one are crisp red apples, caramel, and buttery toffee with golden maple and toasted coconut. This is the Curse of the Wolfman Deep Conditioner for your hair. It's about 2 ounces. This is full size and I believe would run you around $16 on their website if you were interested in giving it. I don't know if it's going to be there, but the base, because I've used many of their deep conditioners and been very, very pleased with the product. So, check it out. Yes, what are the scent notes? Good point. I forgot to mention the scent notes. The scent notes for that particular deep conditioner is... Oh, that's right. It says it's spearmint and watermelon. I'm not getting any watermelon out of it, but I'm definitely getting a spearmint, and I'm thinking that will be nice and refreshing in a steamy shower with that on your hair, and enjoy the steamy shower while your hair gets some conditioning. Oh yes, I want to try it on my fur. Okay. This is another full-size item at 4.2 ounces. It would be around $12 for their fragrance mists. Again, not necessarily this particular one, but the base of their mists are very nice. This is called Monocane Fine Fragrance Mist, 4.2 ounces with pomegranate, dewberry, anise, blackberry, iris, and tobacco flower. I've taken a little sniff. It's a little darker in scent than my usual preference, so I haven't decided if I'm going to keep this or pass it along, but very nice. The next one is going to be called The Creature. It's a bath bomb. Juicy nectarine and salt water, sweet notes of grapefruit, light notes of mint, lily of the valley, and a little musk. And like we said, this is the Creature bath bomb. Are you ready? I think so. Are you? Maybe I wasn't as ready as I thought. That's quite a face. This is 4.6 ounces. It's a wrapped whipped cream in... It's a wrap. Oh, I guess like a mummy. I got it. I understand now. It's a mummy because it's wrapped up. And that one has scent notes of toffee and vanilla, a sweet caramel toasted marshmallow. Yeah, I'll go with that, mummy. Me too. This is Too Faced Twinkle Tonic. It's bananas and strawberries. That's a combination for the bathroom. The Blob. Oh goodness, it's a soap slime. That's what it looks like in the packaging. The Blob. This ought to be fun. Anyone else out there ever try soap slime? With scent notes of pink watermelon. And we all know I do love me some good watermelon. Anyone else out there love a little watermelon? Juicy apricots, pink pineapple, white florals, and gooey bubble gum. And last but not least, we have the Monster Mash Car Freshie. And I noticed in one of their Facebook posts, as they were getting ready to send off the boxes, it looks like there were different characters on the front of the Car Freshies. So our Car Freshie has... Oh, I think it's a Wolfman. One thing to keep in mind with these, they will melt in really hot weather. So if you live somewhere really hot, the car might not be the best choice. Honestly, I hang these in the bathroom at the risk of TMI. And the scent notes for this one are, that's a good question, Monster Mash Car Freshie, rich cookie dough rolled around in delicious cinnamon sugar with a flash of honey, butter, and creamy vanilla. Oh, that was a fun box. At $80, there were 10 items. So that means each one was $10. So you definitely are making money because these are full-size items. Yeah, I'm definitely pleased with it. Did you see anything you liked? What was your favorite? Let me know. Inquiring camels want to know all the details. If I had to pick a favorite, oh my. I think my top 3, although I can only hold 2 of them at the moment, are the candle and the energizing oil. And is this the deep conditioner? Yes, the deep conditioner. I have used this one before and I really like their base product for this. It conditions my hair, but it doesn't weigh it down because I have fine hair. It conditions it, but it doesn't weigh it down. Very pleased with their products for deep conditioners. And lots of other products too. Thank you for joining us in our Trump through spooky season. We've had some fun videos. Yes, we have. And like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share the video. You know the routine. And in a couple of weeks, I think we should have the beginnings of Advent season. Oh boy, that's going to be fun and exciting. That's why you want to subscribe. You don't want to miss that. See you soon. Boo. Boo. Why do you keep doing that? 'Cause I like to torture you. Oh, brother. I'm gonna get her good. One of these days, I'm gonna get her good. What should I do to her? Let me know.